for passengers at platform level to prevent slips, trips and falls. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. Also, when the train is stationary on the platform, please stand clear from the train doors and allow passengers to alight off the train before attempting to board. This is in the interest of your own safety. Thank you.
The delayed 2033 London Euston service is now ready to depart platform 4A. Any further customers travelling to Northampton and London Euston, please make your way to platform 3A receiving 2054 service. The 2054 London Midland service to London Euston, platform 3A for this service.